Welcome to use our machines. A. Installation. 1. Please adjust the horizontal level by the machine screws. 2. Connect the air source here. Make sure the air pressure is between 0.6 to 0.8 MPa. If not, please rotate this knob to adjust the pressure. 3. Power connection. It's the 3-phase 5 wires cable, blue neutral wire, and brown black white live wires. Please connect them in order. Then connect yellow-green ground wire. Turn on the switch. Turn on the machine power switch. Open the power box. Check the phase sequence protector status. The connections are correct when the 2 lights are on. If only 1 light is on, please change the connection of any 2 live wires. 4. Please insert the coolant into this tank in the machine back. 5. Remove the locking piece here. 6. Place the drawers in the bottom. B. Operation. 1. Press English, then press the blank place. It'll enter into interface. Auto mode. Parameters. We can change the parameters by press it. Manual mode. We can do manual operations and positioning here. Alarm interface. I/O interface. Notching patterns. 2. Parameters setting. Input material width. For example, 100 millimeters. The blade will change to the cutting speed while approach the profile. Press reset if emergency starts. Press the machine button if back to 0 is required. Adjust the 0 profile baffle by the 2 buttons. It's driven by accurate servo motor. The last one is motor start. Select the cutting pattern. Auto mode. Press manual mode. It'll turn to auto mode. Select the cutting pattern. Input angle B, 45 degree. Angle A, 45 degree. Input height, 75 millimeters. Height, input height, 150 millimeters. Start the motor. Press green buttons to clamp profile and start notching. We can also save and read the program here for convenience. Save the program after setting. Clamp the profile. Start notching. Notching processing. First cut. Second cut without return. Third cut. Finish. If there's alarm, please adjust the baffle position until the alarm disappears. After setting, please load the profile. Press left green button to clamp profile. Then press right green button to start notching. First cut. Second cut without return. Third cut. Notching finished. Check the notching sample. 2. Worktable adjustment. The digital ruler will show the angle accurately. Lock it after adjustment. Adjust the baffle position in safe place if there's an alarm. Load and clamp the profile. Start angle notching. First cut. Second cut without return. Now check the notching effect. If we can special notching, please select the custom cutting. Please check the illustrated drawing here before setting. Input the parameters as per the drawing. Input swing mode 0 and 1 for angle less than 90 degree. Input swing mode 2 and 3 for swing angle bigger than 90 degree. Save the program after setting. Clamp the profile and start notching. First cut. Second cut. Third cut. Thanks for watching.